Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the hair removal system by JOVS. This is the Venus Pro Ⅱ model. This company has a couple different models. Let me show you a quick look at the label. And then let's unbox it, take a look at it. So again, the Venus Pro Hair Removal System 2. Packaging is really nice. I mean, the box is nice. It is sealed in plastic. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there is somebody else out there thinking about buying this same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So really nice box. It is a heavy item. Most of that probably due to the quality of the box. So let me see if I can get a better view the back of it. This company does have their own website. They have that on their box. I don't know a whole lot about them. I'm actually buying this item for my wife. Let's see if I can figure out how to get the box open. It's got a nice little magnetic closure. And then let me see if I can get this zoomed in for you. So it actually comes in a couple of different colors. You've got the emerald option or you've got the white option. I went with the emerald option. Let's go ahead and take it out and take a look at everything that it comes with. Now I'll say I'm not going to know all of these items right off the bat. Maybe once I get it going, if I can power it on and show you anything, I'll try and do that. It has a thin sapphire crystal. I was reading about it on the website before I bought it. And it keeps a temperature, a constant temperature of 5 degrees Celsius, whereas I think other models out there are usually around 10 degrees Celsius. So this one should be better from that standpoint. Let's take a look at everything in here. There's quite a few things. Instruction manual. The quality of the packaging is really nice. Some protective eyewear. The adapter. This is where most of the weight was coming from in the box. The adapter is pretty big. Two different parts. You've got the power cord end, and then you've got the electrical end, and then you've got this power back. This is a grainer, basically for shaving. So when you use this item, you're going to want to shave first. And then that's going to be it. So let's take a look at this. It has 6 different modes on it. You've got arms, underarms, bikini, legs, face, and then skin rejuvenation. A 330 degrees rotating head. Well, I mentioned I was getting this for my wife. It can also be used for men. Not only can it be used for skin, it can be used for hair removal. It can be used for acne as well as sunspots or aging spots. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of it. Again, once I get it up and going, if I can add anything, I'll attach it to the video. Thanks for watching.